Ready to turn your home into a smarter, more effortless space? These Amazon smart home gadgets help automate everyday tasks, simplify routines, and bring a little futuristic convenience into your daily life. From lighting and security to clever tools that handle things for you, they're designed to make living easier. All products are linked in the description below. Stop bending down every time you grab a drink. This mini fridge stand lifts your fridge to a comfortable height, so everything is easy to reach. Below it, spacious drawers keep snacks, drinks, or supplies neatly organized in one place. Built-in outlets and USB ports let you power your fridge and charge devices without hunting for extra plugs. Lockable wheels make it easy to roll anywhere, then secure it right where you want it. Meet the cutest bartender you'll ever have on your counter. This penguin-shaped bottle opener pops caps with a simple push. Just place your bottle under it and press down. The cap comes off instantly. Built-in magnets catch the cap so it doesn't bounce across the table. The little body even stores the caps inside, keeping your space neat while adding a fun touch to your bar or kitchen. Gaming or working in bed shouldn't leave your arms sore. This oversized lap pillow gives you a soft, supportive surface for your laptop, tablet, or handheld console. Memory foam molds to your body, so your arms and elbows can finally relax. Side pockets keep your phone or remote within easy reach. Whether you're reading, gaming, or browsing, you get a cozy setup that makes long sessions way more comfortable. Charging your phone doesn't have to interrupt what you're doing. This braided USB-C cable powers your device while keeping it perfectly propped up with a built-in foldable stand. The right-angle connector sits comfortably in your hand, so gaming or watching videos feels natural while charging. Fast charge support powers up phones, tablets, and laptops quickly, and the tough braided design resists tangles and wear, so it's ready for everyday use. Dead batteries always seem to appear when you need them most. This smart organizer keeps all your batteries neatly sorted in one place. The double-sided design holds a huge variety, while the clear lid lets you see everything at a glance. A built-in tester quickly shows you which batteries still have power. With a sturdy handle and secure latches, you can carry your entire battery supply anywhere. Ever wish you could carry everything in one trip? This heavy-duty grip turns awkward loads into an easy carry. Slide grocery bags, buckets, paint cans, or even propane tanks onto the handle and lift them comfortably with one hand. The strong one-piece design spreads the weight, so your fingers don't get crushed by thin bag handles. Suddenly, those heavy hauls from the car to the house feel a whole lot easier. Struggling to read the time from across the room? This large digital wall clock makes everything crystal clear at a glance. The bright LED display shows the time, date, and even the temperature in bold numbers you can see from far away. Automatic dimming adjusts the brightness so it's comfortable day or night. With alarms, a timer, remote control, and colorful ambient lighting, it's more than a clock. It's a smart upgrade for any room. Ever seen music come alive before your eyes? This dancing ferrofluid speaker turns every beat into a hypnotic visual show. The magnetic fluid inside moves with your music or ambient sounds, creating patterns that respond instantly. Plug in via AUX or enjoy wireless action, and the built-in rechargeable battery keeps the magic going for hours. It's a stunning conversation piece and a mesmerizing way to experience your favorite tunes. Upgrade your bathroom hygiene in seconds. This ultra-slim bidet attaches to your existing toilet for a refreshing clean every time. Dual nozzles give you a gentle feminine wash or a full rear wash with adjustable water pressure to suit your comfort. No electricity is needed, and the fold-away design keeps the nozzles clean when not in use. Installation takes just minutes, transforming your toilet into a smart, hygienic upgrade. Keep your pet fed and hydrated without the constant refills. This automatic feeder and water dispenser uses gravity to top up food as your cat or dog eats and drinks. Large reservoirs hold enough for several days, so you can step out worry-free. Non-slip feet keep everything steady, while quiet operation means no distractions. Made with safe, durable materials, it's perfect for hassle-free daily care of your furry friends. Ever wish your keyboard could literally float on your desk? This wireless laser projection keyboard does exactly that. Just pair it with your phone, tablet, or laptop via Bluetooth, and a full QWERTY keyboard appears as a glowing projection. Tap the keys and it responds instantly, so typing feels almost like magic. Lightweight and sleek, it works with iOS, Android, Windows, and Mac devices, turning any flat surface into a high-tech typing zone. Tired of climbing ladders to clean high windows? This robot window cleaner takes over the hard work for you. With powerful 3,200 Pascal suction and 4 water spray nozzles, it scrubs glass thoroughly while staying safely in place. Advanced sensors and edge detection keep it from falling off, and you can control it with an app or remote for customized cleaning paths. Whether it's your apartment or office, it reaches every corner, making sparkling windows effortless. Want to escape into your own world of sound? These over-ear Bluetooth headphones make it easy. With hybrid active noise cancellation, outside noise disappears so you can focus on music, calls, or podcasts. The touchscreen controls let you skip tracks, adjust volume, or take calls without fumbling. Up to 35 hours of playtime with ANC keeps you listening all day, and the soft, ergonomic design means comfort even on long trips. Multiple EQ settings and aptX Adaptive ensure every beat sounds crisp and full. Scrubbing pots and pans just got way easier. This palm brush stores soap inside, so a simple press releases just the right amount while you clean. Its non-slip handle fits perfectly in your hand, making greasy dishes effortless. Nylon bristles tackle grime without scratching your cookware, and the brush head is easy to replace when needed. A non-skid holder keeps your counter dry, making cleanup neat and stress-free. Cut the cable chaos on your desk. This 3-in-1 charging station powers your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods all at once with fast 15-watt wireless charging. The MagSafe stand even rotates automatically, letting you FaceTime or watch videos while your phone charges. Compact and travel-friendly, it's perfect for nightstands, offices, or trips. With everything included, a fast adapter, USB-C cable, and warranty, you're ready to plug in and power up instantly. Tired of wrestling with plastic wrap and foil? This dispenser makes cutting smooth and easy with a hidden stainless steel blade that never tears or sticks. Its magnetic base sticks to your fridge or metal cabinets, while optional hooks let you mount it anywhere. No drilling needed. Pull, cut, and go with just one hand, keeping your counter clutter-free. It fits most standard roles, and the durable, sleek design adds a tidy, stylish touch to your kitchen. A simple tool that turns meal prep into a breeze. Stop fighting for outlets with this flexible power strip. It bends and twists to fit any space, letting all your plugs sit comfortably without blocking each other. 3 AC outlets and 2 USB ports keep phones, laptops, and gadgets powered at once. Surge protection keeps your devices safe, while the compact design makes it easy to carry or tuck away. Perfect for desks, bedrooms, offices, or even travel, power is always within reach. Tired of holding your phone while recording yourself? This auto-tracking phone holder does it all for you. It uses AI to follow your face and movements with 360-degree rotation, keeping you perfectly centered on screen. Gesture controls let you start or pause recording with a simple hand signal. No apps or Bluetooth needed. Adjustable for horizontal or vertical shots. It works with any tripod and is USB rechargeable for hours of filming on the go. Perfect for vlogs, live streams, or capturing every moment hands-free. Ready to carry a whole arcade in your pocket? This handheld game console comes loaded with 30,000 games and supports 45 different simulators for endless fun. The 3.5-inch HD IPS screen makes every game look sharp, while dual 3D joysticks give precise control. A long-lasting 3,800 mAh battery keeps you playing up to 10 hours, and its compact design fits anywhere. You can even connect it to a big screen or use extra controllers for a full home gaming experience. Turn your bedroom into a galaxy with this star projector. It casts vivid stars, nebulae, and planets across your walls and ceiling with smooth 360-degree rotation. 13 different projections let you explore everything from the Milky Way to black holes, while adjustable rotation speed and focal length keep the view just right. A timer lets it turn off automatically, making it perfect for falling asleep under the stars. Quiet, USB-powered, and mesmerizing, it's a cosmic escape without leaving your room. Say goodbye to stubborn hair and lint in your laundry. This floating mesh filter stays on top of your washing machine load, catching stray hair, lint, and debris as your clothes spin. Its ultra-fine cone-shaped design grabs even the tiniest particles, keeping clothes fresh and clean. Made from durable, reusable material, it's easy to use again and again. Protect your washer and your wardrobe effortlessly with this clever little laundry helper. Keep your snacks and groceries fresh with this mini 3-in-1 cordless vacuum sealer. It quickly seals chip bags, meat, nuts, or veggies with 3 modes for automatic, manual, or simple sealing. Adjustable speed settings handle everything from thin snack bags to thicker pouches. Portable and rechargeable, it's perfect for home, travel, or camping. Bonus, it can even inflate balls, making it a handy little tool for the kitchen and beyond. Make floor cleaning effortless with this cordless electric spin mop. Dual spinning heads scrub away stains while the self-propelled design glides it forward, so you barely lift a finger. An LED headlight lights up dark corners, and the one-touch water sprayer keeps floors evenly damp for a deep clean. Adjustable height and a 290 milliliter tank make it perfect for all surfaces, from tile to hardwood. Lightweight, rechargeable, and long-lasting, it turns cleaning into a fast, hassle-free task. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.